Forrest is running at an average velocity of 5 meters per second towards the end zone of the football field to score the final touchdown for the Alabama Crimson Tide. He has a mass of 78 kilograms and is carrying a 445-gram football. What is his momentum? Momentum is the quantity of a motion of an object, or in other words, its mass times its velocity. Therefore, we can conclude that Forrest's momentum while he runs across the field is 390 kilogram meters per second.
If Forrest decides to stop at the end zone of the football field, what force will he need to apply in order to stop within 0.8 seconds of crossing the line?
The impulse on an object is directly proportional to the force that is applied upon it and the interval of time for which it is applied. In this scene, the force that Forrest needs to apply is 490 newtons, which is equal to his momentum divided by the time within which he needs to stop. The force applied is negative, or in the opposite direction, because he is stopping.
Forrest is getting in extra ping pong reps in the gym before his upcoming tournament. He hits a 2.7 gram ball with a velocity of 4 meters per second, and it hits the table and bounces back up. If the mass of the table is 150.5 kilograms, what is the ball's velocity when it rises?
The law of momentum states that for a collision between two objects in an isolated system, the total momentum of the two masses before is equal to the total momentum of the masses after. In this case, because there's no external force acting on the ping pong ball or the table, the ball will rebound with the exact same velocity it started with, which is 4 meters per second.
Forrest, whose mass is 78 kilograms, runs towards Ginny at a velocity of 4.1 meters per second east, collides with her, and then falls back at 0.3 meters per second west. If Ginny's mass is 69.5 kilograms and she runs towards Forrest at 3.7 meters per second at the same time, at what velocity will she be rebounded?
As stated before, because of conservation of momentum, the total momentum of Forrest and Jenny before they collide will equal their total momentum after. Therefore, in this elastic collision, Jenny's final velocity will be 0.6 meters per second, going east, because she's being rebounded and was initially going west. For objects that collide and stick together, their total momentum before equals their combined mass momentum after. In this case, the two objects are coming apart as Forrest jumps from the boat. As he leaves the boat, its mass becomes less, and it can therefore travel at a faster 8.5 meters per second.
My boat. My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.